Good afternoon, everyone. How's everybody this afternoon? My name is Robert, and I work at the Lens Makers Optical in Hamilton, Canada. I own 4 optical stores here in Hamilton, and I've been managing these 4 locations for more than 20 years. So today is Monday, April 10, 2023. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon at this time. The time is 2:45 in the afternoon, and the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. It's beautiful outside. With this kind of weather, I really like it because as you know, we just came from winter weather, and when it's become sunny and plus 17 degrees, everybody is happy. Unfortunately, I cannot enjoy this beautiful, lovely weather outside right now because I'm working this afternoon. Okay? Now, the topic for today, or the information that I would like to share you this afternoon, is about frame material, frame design, and frame parts. So that when you buying your next eyeglasses, you have some information about the frame materials, frame design, and frame parts. Okay? So let's start with the frame material. There are 2 materials that we use for eyeglasses: metal frame and a plastic frame. Let's start with the metal frame first. Metal frame is either made of stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. They are very strong. They can handle very well the abuse of wearing eyeglasses every day. If you have an allergic reaction to metal, I would recommend you choose the titanium, because titanium material is a hypoallergenic material. It does not trigger your allergic reaction to metal. Okay, and they're very lightweight. Stainless steel is also a lightweight material. I really like metal frames because, as I said, adjusting these frames are very easy. Okay, metal frames also comes in different color. They come in black, they come in gold, silver, gunmetal, blue, red, you name it. They all comes with different color. Okay, so that's the first material that we used for your eyeglasses. The second material is plastic frame. Plastic frame is also a very strong frame. It will also handle the daily abuse of wearing eyeglasses. And the good thing with plastic is they do come with a lot of colors. Let's say, for example, this one here, the back of the frame is this is a turquoise color, and on the side and on the front here, it's a black color. So this is a plastic material. Again, as I said, it comes with a lot of colors, and also it's a hypoallergenic material because people, as I said, if you have allergic reaction to metal, plastic frame is also good for you. Okay, so these are the 2 materials that we use for eyeglasses: plastic frame and metal frame. Again, as I said, metal frame can be made of stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. Okay, our next topic is the frame design. Okay, let's go with this one here. This design here, we call it a full frame metal. Okay, the reason why we call it full frame is you can see the rim of the glasses. It's protecting the lens. It's full. Okay, with the right one and also on the left one here. So this is a metal full frame. The other one is also a full frame, but it's a plastic material. See this one here? Again, if you see this kind of design, when the lenses is all covered by the rim of the frame, we call it a full frame. Okay? So the next design is a metal semi-rimless frame. We call it a semi-rimless frame because there's no rim on the bottom one here, but there's a rim on top here. This one is very nice too. The only thing with this one, semi-rimless one, is just be more gentle with it because it's more flimsier compared to a full frame. Because see this one here, there's no rim. The only one that's holding your lenses from here to here is a fishing line, or it's a nylon wire. So if the nylon wire is broken, your lens will just come off like that. And it can be replaced. It's easy to replace the wire, but you have to be more gentle. So this design, we call it a semi-rimless design. Okay, and the next design is, we call it 4-point rimless or full rimless. As you can see, we call it rimless, full rimless, because there's no rim around the lenses. It's just the lens and the frame, the temple and the bridge. Okay, so again, this one is very, very flimsy compared to this design and the full frame design. So if you're choosing this one, just be very careful with them in handling them, because as I said, it's very flimsy. Because as you can see, there's only 4 points that holding the lens and the frame. See, 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. See, I don't know if you can see that small plastic plug there. That's the one that's holding your lenses into the bridge of the frame here. That's why they're very flimsy. They're very nice, don't get me wrong, but you have to be very gentle, because if you break them or if the plug came off, it's a very high maintenance, and we cannot fix it right away, especially if you only have one glasses. With this one, you have to have a backup of glasses. Okay, so these are the design of the frame. We call this one rimless frame. This one here, we call it semi-rimless frame. Okay, and this one here is a full plastic frame, and this one is a full metal frame. Okay, now we're gonna go to the parts of the frame. So when you're shopping your frames, at least when the associate or people helping you, they're talking about the parts of the frames, at least you know what they're talking about. So this is a metal full frame. See, from here to here, we call this frame front. Okay, and they have measurements. Okay, either from 50, 55, 52, or something like that. So, and this one here, we call the temples. This is the left temple and this is the right temple, or some people they call it arm or feet. Some people they call it feet too. Okay, so this is what we call temples. And this one here, between the two lenses here, we call this bridge, frame bridge. Okay, and this one here, we call it temple tip. There's a tip here, we call it temple tip. And these two pieces here, we call these nose pads or nose pieces. This nose pad is the one that carries the eyeglasses into our nose bridge. It goes in here. Okay, the good thing with the nose pieces, it's very easy to adjust. If you want to lower your glasses, we can spread these nose pieces. If you want to raise up your frame, we can just squeeze this one and it goes up. Okay, comparing to a plastic frame, the plastic frame, they don't have what you call these nose pieces. Okay, so if you're buying a plastic frame, when you put them into your face, and whenever it sits on your nose bridge, that's how it is. You cannot adjust it. But this one though, we can modify. We can modify the saddle braids. We can put a nose pieces in here. We just have to send it to the lab and they will put this small nose piece in here. Okay, so these are the parts of the frame. So that's the information or topic that I would like to share to you this afternoon. I hope this video will help you in choosing your frame when your time to buy glasses comes. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the like button so that we are all happy. Okay, we'll see you in the next video and you have a lovely day. Bye bye.